So the tools that I'm going to be using today are EAP heat. I have 2 flat irons by them. This is the first one. My second one is this one. Cute little box. I never use these. Okay, so I'm about to show you all why my EAP flat irons are like my favorite. So I'm just gonna part my hair, do them really thin parts because I have very thick hair. So yeah, the red ones is just to get my roots because my hair is so thick and it's curly in its natural state. But those are like the best ones, and it is in slow-mo, so you can see why these are my favorite. And all you need is 1 pass. I did 2 just to make sure. My hair is trained to be straight, but baby, look at it. Look at the smoke. I'm in love with my hair in those flat irons. Those ones. I love the red ones too, but those, because my hair is longer, oh my gosh, I am in love. I really, 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 really love those flat irons. 1 pass, and that's all you need. Look at my hair. It's so bouncy, full of volume, shiny. Look at it. It moved. It moved. I love my hair. So this clip was inserted because the front of my hair is dyed, and I just wanted to show you all that the flat irons work great with dyed hair also. It doesn't burn it out like most people think. So once again, I use the red ones for my roots, and then I come back with the black, thicker ones. And like I said, all you need is 1 pass. I think I'm gonna do 2 passes on this one. I think I did 2 passes on almost my whole head because my hair is so thick, and I just have to make sure. Now when I'm doing someone else's hair, 1 pass is all I need. And yeah, look at my hair. It looks so great. So it works perfect on dyed hair also. So y'all, this is the finished product. My hair getting back long, y'all. I need to go back to my hairstylist so she could get me right. But I did a good job, y'all. I did an absolutely good job.